For question number 15, it says the first three terms of arithmetic sequence are given by x, 2x minus 5, and 8.6. It says determine the first term and the common difference for the sequence. So the common difference, if I try to write this out, I get d is equal to, and I find the common difference is 2x minus 5, so term 2 minus term 1. Now the problem here is I get a variable x, which I really need to figure out, which is the value of the first term. Now, although I can't actually figure out d here, I do know that the common difference between the first two terms is equal to the common difference between the second two terms. So I can say that this is equal to the difference between term 3 and term 2, which is 8.6 minus 2x minus 5. And when I do this, I now have an equation here which I can solve for x. So putting this together, I get x minus 5 on this side. I get 8.6 minus negative 5, so 13.6 minus 2x. I'm going to add 2x to both sides. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And then I can actually solve for x. So x is equal to 6.2. Now that happens to be my first term, but it also allows me to solve for the common difference. Okay, so x is my first term. And then if I try to solve for my common difference, well, I know that the common difference is this expression. So I can solve that equation, or I can just calculate the common difference d is 2 times x, which I solved as 6.2, minus 5 minus x, which is 6.2. Okay, so if I find the common difference here, this becomes 12.4 minus 5. That works out to be 7.4, so 6.2 to 7.4, the common difference is positive 1.2. So now I have the x, which is my a value, and I also have the common difference, which is 1.2. So I can write my general formula for Tn. It's the starting value, 6.2, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 1.2. So there's my general equation. So I think it asks for the 20th term of the sequence. So first of all, the common difference, the d is equal to 1.2. The a is equal to 6.2. The 20th term, T20, I just put it into my formula. So 6.2 plus 20 minus 1 times 1.2. And when I put this into my calculator, I get 6.2 plus there's 19 steps between 1 and 20, and each step is 1.2. So I get T20 equals 29. The last part of this question says find the sum of the first 20 terms of the series. So I'm trying to find S20. So I'm going to use the formula n over 2. So I'm going to get 20 over 2. And the first term, 6.2, plus the last term, which is 29. Okay, so the sum of the first 20 terms, 20 divided by 2 is 10. 6.2 plus 29 is 35.2. And so the sum of the first 20 terms, I'm going to get 352 as the sum of the first 20 terms.